Hello everyone, Hemal here. First, a quick disclaimer. We are going to go over the stocks that I laid out this past weekend and see how they're doing for the week. So let's start with the HIMX. So this one really broke out today, 20%, which is awesome. Now, no news, so I'm not really sure. Probably it's just a technical breakout. Now, I didn't buy this because I was thinking it probably goes sideways, but this is the reason why one should have had a buy stop here and let the system basically work for us. So whatever software you may be using, whosoever the broker is. So as we can see, very, very strong move today. So it didn't really come back and test the VWAP on an hourly chart. So this probably has more upside. Now, as I've been mentioning, such a pattern really leads to a lot more upside. So this has a long way to go, most likely. If you look at the weekly chart, yeah, it's a clean breakout here. So this is ways to go, pretty much. No reason why you cannot go and hit $15 down the road. So if somebody took the trade, really great. But again, the key is it's one thing about noticing the patterns, and the second thing about how to take advantage of those patterns. AZEK, like I said, this probably has to go sideways and then at some point will tighten up in future. So nothing to do in my opinion right now. This one, it continues to set up. So it's a really tight action here. So this may break out again. So if somebody wants to buy this, or if they bought this here, the stop probably in my opinion stays where it is. And or can put a buy stop right there. Richie Bros, this one actually is tightening up and looking good as well. Again, in my opinion, buy stop would be at 72.73. So as this tightens up, our risk may come down as well. This one I would probably avoid because it seems like it's falling down here. It's probably starting a downtrend in this direction. So that's a no-go. This one I had a day buy limit, so I didn't really end up buying today. I'm going to sit back on this. This will continue to stay on my watch list. However, if somebody bought here, then this should be positive. And then they can probably continue to stay long as the stock is behaving appropriately. So their stop, if somebody bought today, then their stop should be right underneath today's intraday low. So that would be around, about 3% risk there. Rockwell, this one is looking good. It's super tight. Let's see the hourly chart to treat that as an action time frame. So this one is really looking good. It probably should break out tomorrow if it's going to work. And then maybe we can get, say, about 6-7% on this. SDC, it's probably squeezing here, so we'll have to see which way it goes. But we definitely want to see it find support right in this area and then go sideways and tighten up at some point in future, if this has to work, in my opinion at least. RWT up 0.34%, so still continues to tighten up. So there are three sides of the base. So left side, so we can just draw this very quick. So a left side to the base, and then there'll be a bottom, and there'll be the right side. So it's probably still forming the bottom of the base here. TXG, nothing to do here. It is just stabilizing here, but I can see this continue to have its move downwards. Again, it's under 21-day moving average. I want to see stocks above or squeezing right at 21. Abbott, nothing to do here. Buy stop stays at 109.62. LH, nothing to do here. Again, this is on the bottom side of the box. Too many days in a row. Most likely, it looks like it's going to probably break down, but we'll have to see. MRTX, like I said, this was a no-go because it was going the wrong direction. It continues, so we can definitely see this may start a new downtrend here, or it can probably recover and then continue to move upwards. PPD, like I said, it was a no-go ever since probably Monday. Monday was here, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, yeah. And then Amazon. So this one is, in my opinion, not a really good sign. After so prolonged sideways move or consolidation, it only had a 1.5 good day. So we'll have to see. But today's action was a bit at a lower volume, but not really looking good in my opinion, at least. Let's look at the hourly chart here. Yeah. So we'll have to see how this sets up and which way does it go. So that's all I have. So like we can see, most of the stocks have worked pretty well or not worked. But if we would have stuck with the limits, whether it was a buy stop or a stop limit, we should have been fine with no major issues. And then so we can definitely continue to view this every week and then learn and hopefully get some good trades out of this. So that's all I have. Have a good one. Take care.